That's nasty, man. Go ahead, go for it. Go, go back around here. Go for it, man. Oh, man. That Urus was lit. I can't even lie, that Urus was stupid lit. But it's another day in the life. K-Dot here again with another video for you. It's gonna be a quick one. I'm gonna go pick up my my Z today. Let me take a walk out here. I'm gonna go pick it up today and damn. Anyway, damn. I'm going to go pick it up today and I can't wait. You know what I'm saying? It's been a couple weeks since I haven't had it, and it was a longer process than it needed to be initially. So because I had wanted to get more work done to my car since it was going to be gone for a couple weeks, I said I might as well go ahead and just get all the work that I need done to my car right now while I have a rental, and I can just roll with that. So I got a few extra things done to it. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. Straight Line Auto Body down in Miami. I gotta keep plugging my man because he went hard on my car, man. I can't wait to show y'all all the things he did to my car, all of the little things that I needed done in my car. So it's pretty much back mint right now. You know, 370Zs, especially Nismos, are going way up in price. So I want to make sure mine is always on point. I'm not gonna sell it or anything. I'm gonna make sure mine is always on point, period. So let's head to the bank one time because we have an ass of cash on us right now, an ass of cash. So we gotta take that to the bank. And yeah, we out.
2 hours later.
And just like that, we back in the Z, man. We acquired the Z. I'm about to take it up to the top floor right now so I can take do a little run around, walk around, whatever. Ooh, is that R8 Bond right there? I think it is. But yeah, I'm about to head to the top. Yo, you legit can't get a better day than this at all. Like, it's beautiful out here. It's hot as hell, but it's beautiful. There's like a wind breeze going on out here. It's like, can't beat it, man. It's the South, man. It's Florida. But long overdue is the whip. We bike. After 2 weeks without having her, I really truly missed her, man. Driving the RAV4 is cool on saving gas, but there's nothing like having my go-kart. You know what I'm saying? This is my favorite. I keep telling y'all, this is by far my favorite car I ever had. So it's fun, you know what I'm saying? It's trash on gas. It's the worst on the road, especially how these Florida roads are, but I love this car, man. I'm never trading this car, never selling this car, ever. I'm gonna ride this joint till the wheels fall off, and then I'll put some more wheels on there. So let's get into what's new, what's been done. Let's get to the obvious, you know what I'm saying? We just get to the crash point. So we got the new fender, fresh fender, fresh bumper. I didn't tell y'all, but I had got a new Nismo bumper on the front because the last one was the clips on the side were just like done. So it was time for a new bumper. So I went and got another one. What's different about the front bumper, this time, instead of this being black right here, I painted it silver. I actually didn't ask for that, but my boy Jay, fucking at Straight Line, he put it to his mind, man. He did that for me. He said he had a little subtle change for me, and that was one of them. And I like it, man. I really like it. So that's cool right there. What else was done for me? They gave me a new wheel because my other wheel was chewed up from that truck running over it. So this is a brand new Nismo right here. Fresh Nismos are beautiful. And another thing that I needed done now that I'm down here, I got my headlights restored. Look at these joints. The joints is shining like some VVS diamonds right now. God damn, nigga. Shining hard as hell, man. And speaking of shining, in this Miami sun, my carbon fiber is going crazy right now. He redone and ceramic coated my hood, so it looks better than brand new, man. This joint looks like it looks wet, bro. All times it's looking wet. Like, I'm just moving the camera back and forth, and this joint is looking crazy. Not only did he do my hood, he did my mirrors, my side mirrors, man. This joint is looking nuts right now, man. It's looking crazy. So my car is pretty much back to mint now, and yeah, it was well worth the wait. I want to thank Straight Line, man. I'm gonna drop all his info right here on the screen, so if ever y'all need anything done, it don't even have to be like a car crash. Like, he like will get your car right. You need paint, you need any like little repair works done, he'll take care of you, man, for the low. Always for the low. Like, it's almost like cheating the way he doesn't tax people. Like, he didn't tax me because I just moved out here. He didn't have to show me no love, man. And he looked out, man. He washed my car, detailed my car. Look at this, man. The joint is nuts. So I'm glad to have my car back. You know what I'm saying? It was a long 2 weeks. Long 2 weeks, but we bike. And I'm trying to hit some car shows now, man. I'm really acclimated with Florida now. I'm trying to make some friends, trying to meet some car people. So if you're a car person in Florida, comment down below so we can link. Down in Miami, of course, I'm not driving to Fort Myers or nothing like that, but in Miami we can link up. You know, I come out to play and see what you're doing, see what you're talking about. Yeah, man, as far as that, man, I think that's all for this video. It was supposed to be a quick one anyway, so in and out. My car is back, I'm back. I'm gonna start posting more on my car page. I'm sorry for not feeding the streets the way I was supposed to, but I didn't have a car, man. I'm not about to like record the RAV4. I got a lot of footage of like other like exotics and stuff out in the streets, but if I don't have my car, I can't do nothing. I actually really do need to get a daily, because I can't daily this anymore, especially how like nice this is. I want to get this PPF and everything in the front so I can save my paint. Look how crispy the paint is, bro. Like, look at that, man. But fucking, I'm about to go inside, do my thing, eat some McDonald's. Yeah, so I'll catch y'all in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, lock in with your boy, tap in with your boy. I'm always gonna be here. If y'all need anything, just hit me up in the comments, my DMs, anything, questions, all of that, on my fitment, everything. Y'all be safe out there. Make sure y'all hustle, get all the money, and make your dreams come true, man. I sure am doing it out here in Miami in this hot ass sun. So I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. I'm out.